I get in my brother's car and it's a completely different experience. Dude, I get in the car and I drove for 4 hours and the whole car is just buttons. So you're sitting and you don't really feel the road as much, but you're like playing with the cruise controls, and the cruise control is measuring how far the car is in front of you, so it slows down.
I like that.
It's keeping you between the lines. I didn't feel I was driving a car.
No.
I felt like that bald guy in Star Trek, and he's like that spaceship. I'm like, it's still fun. Still like you're playing with knobs.
Yeah.
But I didn't feel like I was like feeling the road.
Well,
under
you know,
my
it
feet.
frees you up a little bit more to
play on my
go
phone.
on your phone. Yeah.